Miami Beach homeowners are fortunate to enjoy some of the most beautiful coastal scenery in the country. With sunlight reflecting off turquoise waters, swaying palm trees, and vibrant neighborhood architecture, your home should showcase every bit of that natural beauty. One of the best ways to do that is by installing casement windows, a stylish, functional, and energy-efficient window style that perfectly complements modern and coastal Miami Beach designs. If you're looking to elevate your property's appearance while maximizing your ocean views, here's how casement windows can transform your Miami Beach home. Unmatched ocean views through wide, clear glass paneled casement windows are designed with large, unobstructed glass panels that swing outward like a door. Unlike double-hung windows that have a meeting rail down the center, casement windows offer a full, uninterrupted view, making them the perfect choice for showcasing the natural beauty outside your home. With casement windows, Miami Beach homeowners enjoy panoramic views of the ocean or tropical landscaping, increased visibility compared to traditional window styles, an open, breezy feel that brightens interior spaces, a seamless connection to the outdoors. Whether you live near the shoreline or in a neighborhood with lush scenery, casement windows help bring those views indoors. Enhanced curb appeal with sleek, modern design casement windows pair beautifully with many architectural styles found throughout Miami Beach, from modern coastal homes to classic Mediterranean designs. Their clean lines and elegant profiles create a polished, upgraded look from the outside. Casement windows add curb appeal by providing a balanced, symmetrical appearance, enhancing modern home designs with minimalist frames highlighting unique architectural features, offering customizable grille patterns, colors, and finishes. Their visual appeal makes your home look updated, stylish, and well-maintained, an important factor in Miami Beach's competitive housing market. Superior natural light for brighter, airier living spaces. Homes in Miami Beach thrive on natural light, and casement windows are built to let in as much sunlight as possible. Their expansive glass design increases brightness in every room, creating a warm and welcoming interior. More sunlight means a brighter, more cheerful home, reduced need for artificial lighting during the day, enhanced interior decor, and design a more open, airy atmosphere for homeowners who love sunlit spaces. Casement windows are a perfect match. Excellent ventilation with maximum coastal breezes. One of the biggest benefits of casement windows is the way they open fully outward, catching breezes more effectively than most other window types. In Miami Beach, where ocean breezes are a cherished part of coastal living, this feature enhances both comfort and airflow. Casement windows create stronger cross-ventilation, better air circulation throughout your home, a naturally cooler interior, a refreshing indoor-outdoor connection. With windows that open wide, homeowners can reduce reliance on AC and enjoy the fresh air. Energy efficiency that supports comfort and savings. Miami Beach's heat and humidity can challenge your cooling system. Fortunately, casement windows are among the most energy-efficient window styles available. Their secure locking mechanism pulls the sash tightly against the frame, creating an airtight seal. This results in reduced heat transfer, lower cooling costs, fewer drafts, improved year-round comfort. With optional low-E glass and insulated frames, casement windows can help keep your home cool, even in the height of summer. Impact-resistant options for coastal protection. Given Miami Beach's tropical climate and hurricane risk, many homeowners opt for impact-resistant casement windows. These windows combine beauty with resilience, offering protection without sacrificing breathtaking views. Impact-resistant casement windows provide high-strength glass for wind and debris protection, reinforced frames that withstand intense storm conditions, enhanced safety and security for your family. Peace of mind during hurricane season. This makes casement windows both stylish and practical for coastal living. Final thoughts: casement windows are an ideal choice for Miami Beach homeowners who want to maximize natural light, improve curb appeal, and capture stunning ocean views. Their sleek design, superior ventilation, and energy efficiency make them a valuable addition to any coastal home. Whether you're renovating a beachfront property or modernizing your space inland, casement windows offer beauty, comfort, and long-term value.